Welcome to Arduino series for beginners, and in this video we will see if you push the button you will see the message button pressed or button released when you release it. To build this project, what we need Arduino Uno, then LCD attached with I2C module, and then push button 2 legs, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, few wires and breadboard. Let's go ahead and connect the wires. I will give you the link to get the code and as well as to understand the circuit setup. And so here I have connected 4 wires to I2C, and I'll be connecting to in a 5 volt, which is in Arduino, and ground, and then SCL and SDA. You will see this connection setup in the blog, the link I will share, and also you can see on the screen. This is a little critical. Let's try and understand. The one leg of push button should go in ground of Arduino like this, and another leg that should go to pin 2 of Arduino. And in the same pin, right, connect 10 kilo ohm resistor, and another end of resistor we need to give 5 volt, which is coming from Arduino, and it should go to the other end of resistor. So it will come from 5 volt to resistor, and then yellow wire, which is pin 2, and then the push button. When you see my blog, you will see the entire detail about the project. This is the URL, and that is something we are going to cover today. What exactly you need to build the project, the wire connection, and here you can see the details how you can set up the wire, and then you have the code here and the code breakdown, so you will get the detail of the code, and in case if it does not work, there is a troubleshooting. So everything I have cited in my blog. Go ahead and read this. So now I will go ahead and copy the code from here and go to Arduino IDE and paste into it. Make sure before you upload the code you have the right port connected, and the code has been uploaded. It's in progress. Code upload is done. It's time to test and see the result. So when I'm pressing the button, you see the message. When I'm releasing it, you see the message. It's changing. So it's very simple and it's working fine now.